If we discovered an animal that was nearly as smart as a human, but was also delicious, would we farm it for food? Humans have had three basic responses to any new animal: eat it, kill it because it's a threat, or domesticate it. So if we found a cow with the brain of a person, would we still eat it? Of course we would. A higher intelligence just means a bigger brain, and that would be great for tacos. For humans, the decision to eat something isn't based on its IQ. It's based on how much meat it yields and how fast it grows. And if it's delicious, then it's game over. But what if this creature was not just smart, but looked and acted almost exactly like us? History shows that wouldn't stop us either. For much of our evolution, our own species was on the menu. If you read the history books, they might as well be written with two words: 8 people. Of the 15 known species of humans in the genus Homo, only one is left: us. What do you think happened to the other 14? We ate them into extinction. The most famous example is the Neanderthals. Early modern humans not only fought and ate Neanderthals, we also interbred with them, which is why many of us today still have about 2% Neanderthal DNA. When survival is on the line, we don't draw a line. But if this new intelligent species had already developed its own civilization, we probably wouldn't eat them, but we would absolutely exterminate them. The competitive exclusion principle in nature is simple. Two intelligent, tool-using species cannot occupy the same planetary niche. The greatest respect we could show a rival civilization is to ensure its complete and utter destruction. There can only be one apex predator. However, if the species was intelligent, but not quite smart enough to form a civilization, the most profitable option isn't to eat them. That's a one-time meal. The real money is in enslavement. We'd train them, sort them by physical and mental ability. The strong ones do manual labor, the smart ones become coders, and create a permanent, self-replicating workforce.
In fact, a creature like this already exists on Earth. It's a species that, from a young age, is trained in a specific skill. As an adult, it works for a, quote, manager in exchange for the resources needed to survive. If it's detected outside of its designated area, arrives late, or does unapproved things, its resources are docked as punishment. And when it gets too old to perform its job, it's simply discarded. You might think this is a horrific sci-fi scenario, but we already have a name for this creature. It's called an employee.